What's up, everybody? Welcome back. My name's Eric, and this is N-Ext DIY Lawn. Alright, so today's going to be something a little bit different. Not going to be filming here, but I figure I'd give you guys an update on how the yard looks. Here we go. First off, my azaleas have bloomed. So today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be going over to my project lawn for this year over on my channel, which is my parents' house. And it's a lawn that hasn't been taken care of like it used to for a little while now. So I've already put down some 1801 green punch with some prodiamine in the mix. So I'm preventing crabgrass and getting the lawn a kickstart. I haven't seen it since I've done it, so it's been about a week. But it needs some micros in there as well. So today we're adding 002 MicroGreene. Now 002 MicroGreene has two main purposes. One is to add to a fertility program when you're using N-Charge or 1801 green punch, something like that. Use it in addition to that to give you a full complete program, because the 002 MicroGreene has all the micronutrients, your manganese, magnesium, zinc, iron, sulfur, copper. The second main purpose for it is to be used in states that have blackout periods. So you can still use this because it is a nitrogen and phosphorus free fertilizer. All it has is 2% potash. As a part of the Bio-Stimulant pack, it can be applied at 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet once a month at any time during the growing season. That's the rate I'm going with today. That being said, let's go. Alright, so here we are. My project lawn, my parents' house. This is the house that I grew up taking care of, cutting grass. This is the first yard I ever cut. This is the yard I've probably cut the most in my life. I applied 1801 green punch on Monday. This is now Sunday, so it's been about a week, and I mean, it's a huge difference. As you can see, it's rough, whole lot of weeds. But that's what we're here to take care of. I'm going to tank mix some 002 MicroGreene in with some T-Zone. Spray the whole property. It's going to take care of a lot of the weeds that are in here. And the iron that's in the MicroGreene will help offset any discoloration that comes from the herbicide. It's also a great way to get some much needed micronutrients back into this lawn. All right, that's it. Since I only went down at 3 ounces per 1,000 square feet with the MicroGreene, I used 4.5 gallons of water to put that out. So that's plenty of water. I don't need to water it in any further. And I wouldn't anyway right now because of the herbicide. It needs at least 3 hours to dry. No rain in sight. It's a beautiful day. And can you hear this in the background? The music. There's a church directly through those woods back there. And because of the quarantine, they're having church service outside with loudspeakers, and everybody comes and sits in their cars and cracks their windows to hear everything. And then instead of saying amen, every once in a while you hear everybody honk their horn. So it's pretty cool, actually. Well, that's about going to wrap this one up for 002 MicroGreene. If you like what you saw, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section down below. How are you using 002 MicroGreene in your lawn this year? Don't forget to hop on over to my channel, RVA Lawn Love. Subscribe and hit the bell so you can get instant notifications on all the videos that I'm putting out over there this year, including this project lawn and my lawn at home, so you can watch the progress of how these N-Ext products are helping both lawns throughout the season. Get off your ass, take care of your grass, and I'll see you next time. Peace.